students, welcome back again. First of all, we will start our work with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I will teach you the English meaning words of the difficult words which are given in Unit 3, How to Brush Your Teeth. Before to start your lesson, open your notebooks of English A and make a sketch of a date of today, 17th April, 2020 full stop. You will note down these English meanings words in your notebooks. Now I am going to teach you words English meanings which are mentioned here. The first word is bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Bottom means the lowest part of anything, or you can also say last place of position. For example, if I will say to you, brush your bottom teeth, so that's mean brush your teeth of the lowest part. But in the short form, we will write here the lowest part, L-O-W-E-S-T, lowest, P-A-R-T, part, lowest part. Now the next point is, next word is rinse. What is the word? Rinse. R-I-N-S-E. Rinse. Rinse means to wash out. That's mean to wash something quickly using water, by using water. We can take the example of from this sentence. For example, if I say to you, rinse your mouth with water, so that's mean wash your mouth with water. Now in the next point, the third word is sparkle. What is the word? Sparkle. S-P-A-R-K-L-E, sparkle. Sparkle means to shine brightly. Sometimes it happens anyone say to you, look at your teeth sparkle, so that's mean look at your teeth shiny. He is talking about your shiny teeth. So the next word is remember. What is the word? Remember. In the short form, the meaning of the remember is to memorize. But if I will explain it, then that's mean to recall from one's memory, to have an image in one's memory. That's mean to memorize, to put something in memory. Suppose I say to you, please remember this formula. So students, you have to keep in your mind, be mindful of. I can also say, remember what I have said to you. So that's mean to not forget to do something required. So in the short form, we will write the English meaning of remember is to memorize. T-O-2-M-E-M-O-R-I-Z-E, to memorize. Now the last word is twice. What is the word? Twice. T-W-I-C-E. The word is twice. Twice means two times in a double quantity or extent. Okay. Again, I will speak one sentence. I brush my teeth twice a day. Or I can also say brush your teeth twice a day. So that means you have to brush your teeth 2 times of a day. Twice means 2 times. Okay students, thank you so much. I hope you can understand it easily now. So now you have to write it on your notebook of English A. Thank you so much.